Hi everyone, I'm excited to introduce my new soldering kit called the Demonstrator. But this kit is more than just a soldering kit. It's actually a learning platform that'll help you understand more about coding and the difference between using a microcontroller or discrete components when building an electronic circuit. Now the bottom portion of the kit is a decade counter and 555 timer. And as you build the kit, you'll understand more about what those do. They're driving a set of blinking LEDs that you can see here on the bottom. And you can change the rate of the blinking LEDs by adjusting this variable resistor. The top portion of the LED sequencer kit is actually being driven by an Arduino Nano. Now you can either add a Nano to your order or use your own if you have it. I provide a sketch to upload to your Nano on my product page. But you can change the mode or behavior of the series of lights on the top by pressing the mode button. And you can also, of course, change the blinking rate by adjusting the top potentiometer. Now, this comes with a 9-volt battery, but you can also power it with a power adapter. It actually uses the same adapter that drives an Arduino Uno. If you'd like to learn more about the Demonstrator and my other kits, please visit fvresearch.com.